welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, because kaka-harvest ulit ng Carolina Reaper. And I know nagluto tayo before ng Bicol Express, but I just discovered like a better way of doing it. Gusto ko lang i-share. So basically, bumili ako ng liempo. I'm gonna coat it with cornstarch, deep fat fry it para crunchy siya like chicharon. And then I'm going to saute sitaw, add ko onions, garlic, and a little bit of chives, bagoong, and Carolina Reaper pepper pang-anghang. Ito yung pinaka-maanghang. In fact, kahapon, nagluto ako nito, chinop ko, winash ko yung hands ko twice, and then umalis na ako sa house. I accidentally rubbed my eyes. Natiri eye ako. After washing my hands twice, So, kaya I'm warning you sa mga ganito, pag you're gonna work with habaneros or Carolina Reaper, don't rub your eyes after. As in, naiyak ako. Akala ng kausap ko, yung question niya, naiyak ako. But naiyak ako because of this. So, hindi ako naiyak sa question niya. So, but anyway, enough of that chismis. So, here, so basically, kinat lang natin liit, no? Yung ating liempo para crunchy-crunchy siya. Plus, we would like to coat it with cornstarch kasi nga, of course, may konti pa siyang liquid eh. So, diba, para pag iprito, crunchy. Diba? So, and later on, when we cook the sauce, mas ma-absorb na. So, that's what we want. I'm not adding any spices kasi I'm telling you, kung ayoko nalagyan ng pepper, dadagdagan ko pa ng anghang. Eh, medyo maanghang na talaga yung ano. So, ang hinahabol ko is the same amount of string beans. Parang 1:1. Of course, it's not authentic kasi di ba sa ano nga, it's mostly peppers. So, let's go. Let's fry this. Pinainit lang natin yan. Let's fry it. Medyo mahina pa yung ating oil. And then, after that, we will just drain it here. Para we can drain the oil a little bit. Then, let it just fry it 2 minutes. One hand kasi nga. Ayoko nang maiyak sa mga tanong ninyo later on. So, tinatry ko tanggalin yung seeds here kasi ang hirap mag-chop kasi ang laki ng gloves, no? So, I'm trying not to put so much seeds para hindi siya ganun ka. But of course, yun ang kasarapan ng Bicol Express, diba? Just chop this. Chop this a little bit lang more para hindi siya masyadong makagat ng malaki. Or else it will be too spicy. Yun. So, just one is enough because it's very spicy. And I didn't touch it. Let's go back to our pork. Hintayin natin ito. Maging crispy. So, it's probably 3 minutes. Na yung rice. So, let's go. Para while we're frying the second batch, I'll start making the sauce. It's crispy. There we go. So, ngayon, while we're frying that, we will be cooking the sauce. A little bit of oil. Tayo lang natin mag-heat yung pan. Onions and garlic. And our steak. Yan. And Carolina Reaper, yung maanghang. Sauteing it for a minute. Tapos this one, I'm just using any bagoong, homemade bagoong na bibili sa palengke. Coconut milk, kasi sale kanina. Fisherman. Okay siya, may libre na siyang curry powder. Kaya, okay. Wala akong loyalty sa coconut milk. So, unahin ko lang itong bagoong. Konting muna, coconut milk. Kasi papasebo-sebo natin. Pag lumabas na yung sebo-sebo, tsaka ko na i-add yung ating crispy pork liempo. Okay? And then this one is... At tsaka yung itong food na ito, Bicol Express, parang mortal sin kung hindi ka kakain ng kanin. So, sorry. Papakanin po kayo. O, yun talaga. Just gonna add. Bango-bango. So, basically, tingnan mo, it's just very crispy. It was just really cornstarch. Yan. I'm coating it. I think we're ready. So, habang nandito ba ang mga taste testers, I'm excited for them to try it. There you go. Here is our crunchy Bicol Express with bagoong and coconut milk. Not genuine. Not genuine Bicol Express, pero Bicol Express dito sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Happy eating! See you soon!
We will taste this Bicol Express a la Kusina ni Mrs. O. I like it. It's good. I like it. Very good.
Mababenta-benta.
Mm.
Ayun, mga restaurant tours, pwede. It's another twist sa ilang mga menu.
Sarap siya. Nakagana ko sa spot.
Sabi ko, try lang eh.